In this video, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Subaru Outback, a vehicle that continues to redefine the midsize crossover SUV segment with its rugged charm and everyday practicality. The 2025 model brings a refined blend of adventure-ready design, upgraded tech features, and capable performance that has long been the hallmark of Subaru's Outback series. Starting from the exterior, the 2025 Subaru Outback holds onto its classic rugged silhouette, but with more aggressive styling cues. The front fascia gets a sharper and more modern update, with a revised grille that's wider and bolder, flanked by sleek LED headlights with adaptive functions. The front and rear bumpers are re-sculpted, especially in the wilderness trim, giving it a more off-road focused stance. Larger wheel arch claddings and updated 18 to 20-inch alloy wheels add to its muscular profile. Ground clearance remains a standout feature, with up to 9.5 inches available in the wilderness model, making it suitable for light off-road use and snow-covered roads. Roof rails with integrated crossbars continue to offer functional support for outdoor gear, enhancing the car's utility. Inside the 2025 Subaru Outback, the cabin is more refined and tech-forward than ever before. It features a soft-touch dash, high-quality materials, and a clean layout that enhances both comfort and usability. At the center of the interior is the updated 11.6-inch vertically oriented touchscreen, now with improved responsiveness and standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The user interface is more intuitive, and higher trims even come with a Harman Kardon premium audio system. Front seats are well cushioned, with heating and ventilation options in upper trims, and rear passengers also enjoy generous legroom and heated outboard seats. Cargo space remains impressive, with over 32.6 cubic feet behind the second row and more than 75 cubic feet with the seats folded, which makes it ideal for road trips and family adventures. Performance-wise, the 2025 Subaru Outback continues to offer two engine choices. The base engine is a 2.5-liter flat-4 that delivers 182 horsepower, which is adequate for daily commuting and light towing. However, for those looking for more spirited driving, the 2.4-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine producing 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque is the better choice. This turbo engine is especially responsive and makes highway merging and uphill driving feel effortless. Both engines are paired with Subaru's Lineartronic CVT, which simulates gear shifts to reduce the rubber band effect often felt in traditional CVTs. Subaru's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive system is standard across all trims, providing confident traction in various weather and terrain conditions.